If you're new here, hi, I'm the Mini Photog. I provide photography and video tips and tricks as well as doing gear reviews. So in my previous video where I talk about how to get comfortable on camera, I mentioned I use a teleprompter. A teleprompter is great to use when you need to remember a ton of information from your script that you can't seem to memorize in detail. It will also quicken the time for you to film your content and get it ready to be uploaded, then shared on your social media platforms. I'll be talking about the teleprompter that I have been using for most of my videos and why I recommend it, especially if you're on a budget. Alright, so the teleprompter I'm using is called the Desview T2. This teleprompter can be used with your camera or your cell phone. If you're using it with your phone, make sure you have another device that you can read your script off of. For my camera here, the teleprompter sits on the front of the camera lens. In the box, they provide you with different ring options that you screw on the front. Once you have the correct ring, you then take the teleprompter and slide it onto the lens. The clamp they provide can extend to hold your cell phone or an iPad. They provide a remote, but I find that the app that goes with this does not work that well, so I don't use the remote they gave. Instead, I use Parrot, which is a free app that actually goes with another teleprompter, but it works way better. So the Parrot app allows you to set the text size, speed, margins, mirror mode, script loop, and change the font color and background color. I usually import my script from Google Docs, but you can do so from anywhere. I then make some corrections, save it, and I'm ready to go. Once you are done using the teleprompter, they give you a cover for the front glass and a cap to cover the back part. This teleprompter costs about $119 on Amazon as of right now. It has by far been a great thing to have and has saved me a lot of time when creating detailed review types of videos. If you have a video business, a teleprompter would come in handy when working with clients who have absolutely no experience on camera and don't know what to say. You can have them prepare a script, practice it, and read it off the teleprompter. The link will be down below, so you can go ahead and get yourself one. Let me know in the comment sections if you use a teleprompter and have you noticed any difference in your video production time? It has sped things up for me for sure. Anyways, leave a like and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. With that, see you guys in the next one.